Next up, the 1979 United States Washington quarter with no mint mark. At first glance, it may seem like just another ordinary quarter sitting in your pocket or coin jar, but in the world of coin collecting, even small details like a missing mint mark can make a big difference. In this video, we'll explore how this coin, especially in different conditions, can range from common pocket change to a surprisingly valuable collectible worth real money at auctions. First introduced in 1932 to honor George Washington, has become one of the most recognizable coins in U.S. history. Designed by John Flanagan, the coin replaced the standing Liberty quarter and has remained in circulation for decades. By 1979, the coin was part of the copper-nickel plaid series, introduced in 1965 after silver was removed from circulating quarters. A 1979 quarter without a mint mark indicates it was struck at the Philadelphia Mint, which traditionally did not include mint marks on coins until 1980. This means that while millions of 1979 Philadelphia quarters were produced, identifying one without a mint mark is normal, but finding one in exceptional condition or with unique characteristics is where the real value begins. The obverse of the 1979 Washington quarter features the left-facing portrait of George Washington, along with the inscriptions "Liberty, in God We Trust," and the date 1979. The absence of a mint mark, located near the date, confirms its origin from Philadelphia. On the reverse side, the coin displays a powerful eagle with wings spread wide, holding arrows and an olive branch, symbolizing strength and peace, along with United States of America and quarter dollar. What makes certain 1979 no-mint mark quarters unique is not the design itself, but their condition and any unusual features such as die cracks, off-center strikes, or attractive natural toning. Coins preserved in uncirculated or mint-state condition, with sharp details and original luster, stand out the most and are highly desirable among collectors. While the 1979 Philadelphia quarter is not rare in terms of mintage, high-grade examples are much harder to find than most people think. Over time, the majority of these coins have been heavily circulated, resulting in worn surfaces, scratches, and loss of detail. Coins that remain in pristine condition, especially those graded MS65 or higher, are considered scarce and attract strong collector demand. Additionally, error coins or those with unique visual appeal can become even rarer and more valuable. Collectors are always searching for coins that combine historical significance with exceptional preservation, and the 1979 no-mint mark quarter fits perfectly into that category when found in top condition. In average circulated condition, a 1979 Washington quarter without a mint mark is typically worth its face value of 25 cents. However, in uncirculated condition, the value can rise to between $3,000 million depending on its quality. Coins graded MS65 or higher can sell for $3,000 million or more, especially if they have strong eye appeal. If the coin features a rare error or exceptional toning, the value can increase significantly, sometimes reaching $3,000 million at auction. Coins that have been professionally graded and certified by services like PCGS or NGC often achieve the highest prices due to buyer confidence in their authenticity and grade. If you're searching for a valuable 1979 no-mint mark quarter, start by checking your pocket change, old coin jars, or bankrolls. Pay close attention to the coin's condition, looking for sharp details, minimal wear, and original shine. Avoid cleaning your coins, as this can reduce their value dramatically. Instead, store them in protective holders to preserve their condition. If you believe you found a high-grade or unusual example, consider having it evaluated by a professional grading service. Patience and careful observation are key in coin collecting, and sometimes the most valuable finds come from the most unexpected places. In conclusion, the 1979 Washington quarter without a mint mark may be common at first glance, but its true value depends on condition, rarity, and unique characteristics. While most are only worth their face value, high-grade examples and rare variations can command impressive prices in the collector market. This coin serves as a great reminder that even everyday currency can hold hidden treasures.